Hello everyone, this is Pink Sister and Diamond Lady. And today we are preparing milk pudding and we'll be using grits. Our recipe has its own twist to it. It will definitely be totally different from what you know as a recipe for making milk pudding. We'll be using milk, grits or polenta, sugar, cinnamon, vanilla extract. And when you think you can't use the banana anymore, this is the kind of pudding to use it for. So warm a saucepan and add the milk to the warm saucepan. We're going to leave it to warm up for just a few minutes and then add in there 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and stir very well, just to prevent the lumpiness of the cinnamon. Next, we are going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and the combination of cinnamon and vanilla is so delicious. I love the aroma that I'm getting in this kitchen. It's so lovely. What we're adding in there now is the grits, and with the grits you need to add it bit by bit as we don't want it to be lumpy in there. In place of grits, you can use ground rice or you can even use maize meal. Decide what you want to do and it will equally come out very lovely and delicious. Next, what we're adding in there is sugar, and we're going to stir and leave it to simmer for just a few minutes until it gets a bit thicker. It has to be thick enough for you to be able to use a wooden spoon to stir. It should not be stiff. And once that is done, grease an oven-proof dish with butter, not too much butter. And afterwards, just pour the mixture into this oven-proof dish. You can split the mixture into 2 oven-proof dish if you like, and it will still work out the same. Next, we are going to add some cinnamon to sugar and we are going to stir very well. We will be topping the already cooked mixture with this cinnamon and sugar mixture. Spread the sugar and cinnamon mixture evenly on top of it and top it with banana slices. Ensure you have covered the whole surface with the banana, and once you're done with that, top it up again with the sugar and cinnamon mixture and it will be ready for the oven. Leave it in the oven for 5 minutes, and once that is done, pop it in the grill for extra 5 minutes, and this is how lovely it's going to look like with a caramel look on top of it. And it is yummy. It's very delicious, and anybody at all you give this to is going to love it. This is our own developed recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.